I am getting ready to go to the movies with my husband. I think we're gonna go watch Fantastic Four. I think it's called. I'm just going for the snacks. We did see Superman last week or 2 weeks ago. That was super good. If you haven't seen it, I highly recommend. The doggy is so cute. So I'm gonna do a quick finish getting ready with me. My hair is giving me trouble today. So this top, I got it from Loft. And these jeans are super old. They're from, you can't see, they're like ripped jeans. They're from Wild Fable from Target. They are supposed to be high waist. They don't fit that high waist for me. Yeah, they are supposed to be cropped and they're the perfect length for me. For shoes, I'm probably going to do my trusty sandals. They're super comfortable and they go with everything. So I'm probably gonna do that. We're just gonna go to the movies and be sitting down. So I'll probably do these. I was thinking of doing this leopard print headband. That way I can match my bag. Yeah, that's cute. It's cute. I might do that. So I can wear my leopard print bag. Yay or nay? Yay. For accessories, I'm gonna do this necklace with the little heart. This, I got it at one of our local markets that my city has. I believe the store is called Micah's or Micah's. I'll tag it if I can put it on. Okay, got it on. That's a little tricky. Of course, I have my wedding bands. I have my watch. I am going to do an evil eye. Of course, I'm going to do my little E as well. It matches. I got them at different places, though. They're not from the same store. Then I'm going to do just a black and a gold bangle. These will probably fit me super big. Yeah. And there we go. And for bag, I'm gonna do this leopard print. Leopard print is my favorite color, so I'll do this little leopard print. I think I got this bag at Marshall's or TJ Maxx. Somewhere. It was either Marshall's or TJ Maxx. I'm gonna go straight in my hair again. I use this new spray from, I think the brand is Color Well. I think it's like a thickening spray and it's horrible. The one that I usually use is from Kristen S. It's a thickening spray and that one's real good. But this one just left my hair like super sticky and it didn't even give any volume. Anyways, this is the outfit. I'm going super comfy. I am going to have to take a sweater over it. It's super hot outside, but I know it's going to be cold in the theater and my husband likes to borrow my sweater. This is the outfit. Super comfy. And that was it. Thank you for watching. Bye. We came to the movies. Not even in the shadow will my teenager, well, he's not a teenager anymore. Not even in the shadows will he come out in my videos. Yay, look. It's the four of us. We're missing one. Gilbert, stop. Don't study. It was a good movie. Spoiler alert, mom saves the day like always. Thank you for watching. Bye.